I'm here with one of our community partners here in Namibia. When we came to Namibia, we had to figure out fast how to make some friends that know how things work. When you're trying to do business, you don't know anything in a new country. You're trying to get your visa, you messing up the paperwork. This man, Mr. Jerry, he has been our support person and the one that we have been directing everybody to when they come here. So I wanted to sit down and get one most important tip. So most of the people have to get some sort of visa to come out here and do business. And I wanted to get a tip on what they should do to prepare for the visa process so they don't make a mistake like we did.
Yeah, I think the first thing you have to do when you're coming to apply for a visa, remember when you enter in a certain country and you're a foreigner, there's a lot of scavengers who want to rip you. They want just to make sure that they capitalize from you. So the first thing you need to do before you travel, ensure that you find out who is the consultant going to help you in the country. For example, for me, I mostly prefer service. Like for example, after sales service, when I give a good service, a better service like what I give to you guys, then I get the recommendation. I believe in transparency. So we'll give you now, for example, if you want to travel to Namibia from America, we'll need a certified passport from your country. In that certified passport, then we will also require at least get your criminal record already from your country of origin. Then we also require you also to get us at least your financial statement or just your financial bank statement to show that you'll be self-sufficient in a country. Because remember, many people are running away from different countries. We don't want Yahoo boys in Namibia. I hope you guys know. So those are some of the things which you need. Then we also require you also to get at least two passport photo. Then when you come straight to that consultant to assist you. Because remember, if you arrive without those documentation, it will be very difficult for you because at the immigration at the airport, they will stress you. And that time maybe you don't know Mr. Jerry. And that time they will arrest you. And it will be very difficult. So and they will deport you. So make sure that all this documentation which I asked you, certified passport, your medical report, your criminal record from your country, and just a statement to show that you are financially capable to live in that country.
Yeah, so basically, it sounds like have your paperwork in order.
Yeah.
And then some of the people are coming, we want the business visa, the investment visas. What kind of things are important for them to know before they apply for the business or investment visas?
For business visa, it's almost the same requirement which I said. For business visa, mostly you need to get those documents, certified passport from your country. I will repeat again: your medical, criminal, and at least your financial data in particular. In that, and when you come to the country, you have to register that particular business, and we are going to look in that business. Are you really going to employ people? Are you really going to do that particular job? Or you are coming maybe to invest in a particular business, so you are going, are you really having that fund to invest? Or are you really having that knowledge which Namibia will benefit, which Namibia does not have? For example, look at the industry now is opening, the oil and gas and the green hydrogen. We need expertise, people who are coming to give that knowledge. And we lack in a lot of things. Remember, we are third world, or if I not maybe fifth world also. So we benefit a lot from people from outside, from what they've known and from what they can. And when it's coming for employment visa, employment visa is very difficult to get employment because Namibia has high unemployment. So they will ask, they will first look at it, what expertise do you have which no one has in the country. So it's always to do, I always recommend people to do a business visa or a investment visa. Those are the two common ones which can always add value to you to acquire that visa.
I'm glad you answered that because I get a lot of people asking me questions in the comments. Can I get a job there? And I always tell them, I don't encourage you to come for a job, but if you find a connect, if you find an opportunity, go for it. See what you can create for yourself. There's no limits to what you can create in your life. Thank you for taking the time to give me some answers on this.
Thank you very much.
Curious what it takes to live in Namibia? Moving to Namibia 101 answers some of your most basic questions about what it takes to live in Namibia. Created by two expats who moved their family to the country of Namibia, we answer all of your basic questions. What does it take to drive? How do you get a license? The cost of groceries, the cost of rent. All of the basics are covered in this online course.